welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely glitter nail polish at home. It's so easy and so amazing. You can make whatever color you like. So let's get started. Of course we're going to need a nail polish which is clear. Use whatever brand you like. I'm going to use this is not brand thing, so I'm going to use it. And of course we're going to need a glitter, any color you like. Of course I'm going to use red because I'm going to make a red nail polish. It comes in two like shapes, in a small sack or a small bag like this, or in a packaging. It doesn't matter what you're going to use, but it should be small. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a small funnel because I don't have like a nice funnel to add the glitter inside my nail polish bottle. So I'm gonna take the paper, it's a count paper because it's small, so I'm gonna just twist it like this to make a small funnel and use this thing to glue everything together to make it secure. And of course I'm gonna use a scissor to cut a small opening, just as small as possible, because of course the bottle opening is really small, so we need a small opening fits inside it and in the same time help us to add the glitter inside. So I'm gonna cut another piece of paper. It's not like it's coming out from the funnel. Anyway, so I'm gonna open my nail polish and make sure there's nothing on that brush. And of course we have a small gap inside because I'm gonna add a glitter, and this glitter needs a space to shake everything together inside, and at the same time the glitter take a space inside the bottle, so you need to have a space before starting this project. And as you can see, I make everything secure and add a little piece of paper underneath, because sometimes we can get a little bit messy adding the glitter, so you don't want to like dust everywhere, and the paper will help to collect everything. So I open my packaging or my box and begin to add my glitter. As you can see, it's so easy. And once we add it, as you can see, there's a small like a bubble, a glitter bubble inside the clean nail polish. Looks so beautiful actually, but don't worry about this. I'm gonna shake everything at the end. It will be so amazing. And of course I need more, so I'm gonna use one bag or one sack of the glitter, cut it to make it easier for me to add the glitter inside my funnel to my nail polish. And as you can see, it's really easy, it's really nice, and I still have some glitter inside my funnel, so just shake it and shake the funnel. Let's just knock over it and shake everything to help the glitter to go inside my bottle. As you can see here, it's good. And we're good to go. Remove everything, and as you can see, I have like a small bubble, like 2 bubbles of glitter, add my cap, and then what we're gonna do is shake, 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 to make everything like mixed together. And as you can see, once we shake it, begin to become so beautiful. I love this glitter so much. It's so beautiful and so practical to create a lot of nail designs or like glittery stuff. If you love glitter like me, you will love this project or DIY. And as you can see, immediately like I have the glitter inside, and the glitter, the color from the glitter begin to like come off to the clean nail polish. As you can see, begin to be a little bit reddish, have this reddish tint in it. It's not clear anymore. It have a little like a red tint in it. That's amazing. It actually does to any colors. You guys, it have a lot of colors as you see in the beginning of the video. And actually I save it upside down because the glitter tend to sit on the bottom. So I set it upside down like this, so I can see the color when I pick up from my drawer, and in the same time it helps to, when I shake it, when I use it, make everything good. And as you can see, this lovely golden glitter is so amazing. It's one of my favorite. As you can see, it's so pigmented and it's still, actually I made this from like 2 years ago. I can't remember, 1 or 2 years ago, because it was in my old channel and I am recreating everything I had on my old channel. So as you can see, those are the ones that I made. Still have them, still look so good, still have the same color just like the new one. I love this DIY. And before doing anything, have these small like rigid beads inside to help when I shake the glitter. If I have any kind of glitter stick together at the bottom, so it will help to move everything and shake everything together. So it's like a good thing to add, of course. And as you can see, these are the colors that I have. I showed at the beginning. This is the red that I made right now, and gold, turquoise, and this greenish color looks so beautiful. And this purple color, again, so amazing. And as you can see, this silver one, and I have this just like a mix. You can mix the colors as you like. I mixed this with the green, the purple, the silver, and a little bit of gold and turquoise, and I have these colors together. So pretty when I apply it. It's so amazing. So I love this project so much, and yeah, I really hope you like it too. And as I told you, I save it on my drawer, my nail polish drawer, upside down. This will help to shake everything better, and at the same time I can see the colors. So yeah, that's it. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget the hello button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.